Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL Tab Max, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, before we will enter the Play Store, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. It is because that if you will download something, then you can be sure that you will not be charged for it. So remember the Wi-Fi, and then let's enter the Play Store. Of course, if you're not currently logged in, you will have to do it right now with your Google account, and after that just tap on the circle, which is your account. Tap on Manage Apps and Device, and tap on Manage. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of all currently installed apps, and if you'd like to check the updates for them, just tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, here we've got apps listed which can be updated, and all you have to do is to simply mark those which you'd like to update. So let me pick, for example, Google Photos, mark it here, Google Maps, and maybe the Gmail. And after that, after marking them, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, those updates will be downloaded, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So basically you do not really need to do anything more. So actually this is it. This is how to update the apps in your TCL Tab Max. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.